Exciting times.
Exciting times.
We're delighted to finally announce the partnership with BeyonC. We've been working with them since late 2025 on this project just here, the Reef 60, which has been customized to host the Syncro inspection class ROV system.
We have a huge announcement. Follow me, I'm going to show you the Syncro project. That's a collaboration between BeyonC and HydroSurv. This is the Syncro ROV. This is the first shallow water survey ROV for cables and pipelines. This means we can operate from 35 meters and in. This one is capable of handling strong side currents, big waves. This is exciting stuff.
So the Reef 60, we've been building this vessel since 2022, but for 2026 we've made significant upgrades to its system. So it now has a 48 volt DC generator system in one hull, an AC generator system in the other, and for BeyonC we've designed a custom launch and recovery system for the Syncro ROV as well.
Our goal with the collaboration with HydroSurv that we're going to have launch and recovery directly from the USV. This means we can exclude the use of big IMR vessels, we can reduce the use of personnel, and the USV can follow the ROV in really shallow waters for long distance. Exciting times.
Exciting times. Lots to do and lots that's already been done, of course, to get to this stage. The engineering design is at a preliminary level right now. We've got a launch and recovery system for this vehicle just here. And now we're in the critical design phase, building, testing, getting it in the water.
HydroSurv is a designer and provider of uncrewed surface vessel systems from 2.5 meters to 6 meters. We specialize in a range of platforms from small hydrographic and geophysical vessels for inland waterways to larger subsea robotics vessels like the one that we're delivering for BeyonC.
BeyonC is the experts on shallow water inspection and survey, and we have now decided to take on one of the biggest challenges in the industry: how to survey your pipelines and cables in less than 30 meter water depth.
So with this platform we can reduce CO2 emissions, we can cut costs for the customers, and we can deliver a really great project to the world. So looking forward.
Excellent.